Welcome to Intellify. Question. Explain how groundwater is recharged. There are 10 tube wells in a lane of 50 houses. What could be the long-term impact on the water table? Groundwater, as the name suggests, is the water found beneath the earth's surface in the cracks and spaces between the soil, sand and rock. It is stored in and moves slowly through geological formations of gravel, sand, sandstone or fractured rock like limestone, which are known as aquifers. Water can move through these materials because they have large connected spaces that make them absorbent. The speed at which groundwater flows depends on the size of the spaces in the soil or rock and how well the spaces are connected. Groundwater can be found almost everywhere. The water table may be deep or shallow and may rise or fall depending on many factors. Heavy rains or melting snow may cause the water table to rise, and heavy pumping of groundwater supplies may cause the water table to fall. Groundwater is a very important natural resource. Of all the fresh water available on the earth, about 20% is groundwater. In India, around 80% of the population relies on groundwater for irrigation and drinking purposes, and almost 50% of the people in the United States depend on groundwater. Groundwater supplies are rejuvenated or recharged by rain and melting snow that seeps down into the cracks beneath the land's surface. In some areas of the world, people face serious water shortage because groundwater is used faster than it is naturally replenished. In other areas, groundwater is polluted by human activities. Apart from rainwater, water from rivers, ponds, etc. seeps through the soil and the empty space and recharges the water table. This process is known as infiltration. Now that we know what groundwater is and how it gets recharged, let's understand the effect of pumping water through tube or bore wells on the water table. If a lane has 50 houses who share 10 tube wells, it means 5 houses rely on one tube well for their domestic water needs. During the summer season, the demand from each household will increase, thus putting a lot of pressure on this acute source of water. The long-term impacts on the water table are as follows. The water table will eventually get depleted. Water table will fall below the level of the tube well. It won't be possible to fetch water with the help of tube wells in the near future. People will have to completely depend on the rainwater or go for options like desalination of seawater, which is a costly affair. Save water, save life. I hope this video has helped you understand the importance of groundwater and how overdependence on it may adversely affect the water table. Stay tuned for upcoming videos and subscribe to our channel to get further notifications.